let's start making Tate's puzzle box. Let's first go select it, print, wait for it to warm up a little bit. It figures out exactly where the print head is and where the bed is. And make sure that there's filament in the nozzle. And it starts printing. Alright, laying down the first layer. We'll come back when it's about halfway done and see how it looks. Alright, here we are at 50%, and it's been an hour and 12 minutes. It's getting there. Check back in when it's all done. Alright, we're getting close. It's 99.57% done. .9, and there it's done. Let's see if we can pop it off. There we go. I hope you enjoy it.